Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna get ready and take the door handles off from there. And what we're gonna do once I get that, we're gonna sand this down a little bit more, and then we're gonna start on priming it. And currently, my brother and dad are digging a trench with so I'm not gonna pay much attention to this. Alright, so I'm not gonna buff this today, but I did get off the door handle and the lock. And right now I'm gonna get ready to take this off, and then I'm gonna sand the rest of this. So this will actually record. That is possible. Just give me a second. Alright, so this is the best camera angle I can get right now, so just have to deal with it. I don't have like a tripod or nothing like that yet, but I'll get better equipment later on. That's not really our concern right now. So the reason I'm using a wrench instead of a socket is because this is a 7/16, but the problem was these have like the 16 ridges, whatever, instead of the 6 bolt. So what it is, it didn't fit into the socket right, and those are saying, which is annoying, and I couldn't find one. I decided, what the heck, I'm not gonna waste a while, so I just grabbed a wrench. So, a little process, but oh well. I can't really do much anyways, because Dad and my brother are working on the digging, so. It's been a while since I've been working on this. We're down in Florida, in Georgia, like a week and stuff. I've been so busy. We haven't got like hardly anything done to know, but we're getting there. The hood hinge, whatever it is, I can't think of the name right now. So, I'm gonna put the bolts right back in it so I don't lose them, which is something I'm really good at. Do this on most of the stuff. Just a nice way to track where the heck your stuff is until I get here, and then we'll move them, sand them first. Alright, so I'm going to start sanding down. So, I don't know if you can see real well, but where it has been sanded, this is what would be sanded, all silver-like. This is not, so I'm also using 220 grit. So, I don't know if it's grit or not, but 220 sandpaper. I actually took off some of this rust. I'll catch it that way. Alright, well, my little stand thing didn't work so well. So I'll do this one-handed. Don't have a camera guy right now, so. I got a new way, seeing this will work. Again, sorry for the poor quality of this stuff. Hopefully all this dust here doesn't fly on my dad's camera. I mean, already, look at that, it's only been like a minute. Not much. What's up? Doing pretty good. Never mind, sitting down top of what? Alright, so I know it doesn't look like I've done much, but honestly I did a lot. Way smoother. Like over here it's all rough and stuff. Way smoother than it was. I mean, look how much crap it's, that's a lot. I still have to get in better places like corners. You can see it's different colored. Still won't be the same there. It's harder to get in places like that, for instance, right here. I mean, even that's but yeah, I'm gonna get onto this later. It's starting to hurt. And it's starting to get late, but might have better camera angles, might have even a cameraman next. Okay, I also forgot to show you guys the new motor mounts. So right here's the new motor mounts my dad ordered like a couple weeks ago. Just forgot to record it, and they fit well. Also, I'm gonna show you the engine because last video. So on last video, you guys didn't really get to see it painted. Like at all, you just saw it getting taken apart. But my dad decided to paint it and stuff while I was in Georgia. So it's not fully painted. It still needs some more coats. But here's what it looks like so far. It's also dirty, but looks real good. We gotta take the valve covers off and repaint them. But yeah, I apologize for not recording all of it. My dad doesn't like not doing anything, he always likes to do something. Down here looks the best. But yeah, that's pretty much all on the engine. Show you how the motor mounts fit. So right here is where they would go, and as you can see, they line up pretty good. Also show you a little clip of unboxing these, just a little something. Okay, so we just got the motor mounts and we're opening them up and we'll see if they fit. Alright, let's see what happens.
Let's hope they fit. Oh. They don't look like it. Let's see. The rubber here will fit there. Wow, they look the same color and everything.
Mm-hmm.
See if they fit. Wow, they fit.
Good. There's only one?
Dude.
Oh, it's in there.
Yeah, I think they're gonna work on it. And they got the rubber in them. See, they got rubber there.
Mm-hmm.
The other ones didn't. We wanted the rubber. It takes vibrations out of the motor. Yeah, I think it's gonna work.
We also did a little test painting for orange.
Yeah,
So far.
Good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, these feel like they're so cheap. You know what I'm saying? They're light, but you want them light, but yeah. We got the rubber in it to absorb the vibration. Yeah, we got the right one, son. Way to go.
Mm-hmm.
Now we can clean up the motor paint and sit her in it.
Alright, so got the wrench and look here, see, 7/16, right? If you look on the wrench, also 7/16. Now look on the wrench. See how it has the ridges inside? And there's like, I don't remember how many. And then you see 6. And so it doesn't fit, and I never really saw a bolt like this actually. But yeah, it won't fit. Also how to do one-handed, but as you can see it fits just fine. And here. So I literally haven't known this until now. I thought it would work on them both, but it doesn't. So if you guys are doing something like this, you gotta have one of these. 16 I think is. I don't know. Anyways, I edited the video already and I noticed it's getting pretty long, so I guess I'll just like upload this one, make it part 1 of the hood and finishing the door. But I'm gonna do my next video. This will be part 6. Part 7 will maybe be finishing these. I don't know. Maybe. I would guarantee by part 8, but hopefully by this one. So we're slowly getting at it. And I know I posted a lot of videos, but I mean, hey, I kind of like that. Having a lot instead of just one, you know. Here's another. You guys haven't seen it in a couple of parts. The only thing new on it is just sanding down. Last time you saw this, I don't know, it was like part 3 or 4. Pretty sure we got some little bit of sanding on here, but we've done a lot since then. But mostly we've just been doing it on the sides. So here's the difference. Yeah, literally not much at all. Just sanding the quarter panels. This has gotten a lot dusty. Doesn't even look near as good as it is, but trust me, it's still nice and shiny. So, thanks again, guys, for watching, and please like and subscribe. I know I say it a lot, but I appreciate it. And thanks, everyone, again. And I'll see you guys in part 7.